Oh yes, we make more than 5 million churros.
You yourself?
Yes, myself. Yes. I think when the whole churros together, we can go to the moon, come back, and then go around to the earth again. Yes.
Meet Tani, Churro Buzz's main churro maker for the past 27 years. That experience has led him to making 5 million churros in that span. All with an infectious smile, charm, and glowing gratitude that I'm positive ends up in the churros he's making.
When I came to this country, I came by myself. I don't speak a word in English. We stay in the parks and then we eating the things from the trash, actually. You know, we get the burgers from the trash and everything. I was looking for a job in a corner. In that corner, we are like about 200 people. For some reason, God, my boss, he went direct to me. They helped me so much. They are angels for me. If they don't help me, I'm not where I am right now. Yeah.
The owners of Churro Buzz are Jay and Parin, two Sri Lankan immigrants who, by their chance meeting with Tani, have together created a unique home in the Amo Fashion Center for an authentic churro recipe that dates back 60 years.
I don't want to use the word original churro here. It's more authentic than what is available now. It's actually 60 years old. That keeps us, from, not making any changes. We just, want to keep the recipe intact.
But beyond the churros that have had repeat customers coming from all parts of the country lies a unique story of cultures colliding to create the quintessential American dream.
I'm from Sri Lanka, and my parents immigrated here before us because back in Sri Lanka the opportunities are limited, obviously. So it was for a better life.
For Jay and Parin, their Sri Lankan roots are a far cry from authentic churros. But a chance meeting with a churro street vendor led to a thriving business of close to 3 decades.
We bought a business at the Redondo Beach Pier. Yeah. Actually, it all happened when I was pregnant with my first daughter. We went to the pier for a walk and we asked the owner if they're selling the business. And when they said yes, we will contact you. I left my information. I didn't hear from them. 2 years went by and I was pregnant with my second daughter and we go back to the pier. So then we asked them if they were selling it and they go, yes, definitely we're selling it now. I'm ready to retire. I'm too old to be doing this.
How has the feedback been when people find out that you're selling authentic Mexican churros, but you and your wife are from Sri Lanka?
They're surprised and they say, how come you got into this business? But we didn't think of, whether it's Mexican or not. We love the churro, so my wife said, hey, let's make an offer to this lady and see what happens. So,
though Jay and Parin have taken care to preserve their original recipe, they've also adapted to present their churros to the newest generation of foodies who take into account their Instagram feed as much as their appetites.
We experimented the past 5-7 years to see if we should make a change. We would have a crowd of people taste, as we made the changes, and we always went back to the original. We had, obviously, like I said, we have modified it to have a different type of, what we call a filled churro. It's called a churro boat. We would fill it with banana and Nutella, or we would do a chocolate drizzle. So we have made some changes to accommodate the younger generation where they would love all these different modified food, so to speak. We have done that as well, but the classic churro, we got the recipe and we have not made a change at all.
The fact that Tani made churro making seem so effortless and joyful made me want to take a crack at it.
Actually, it's pretty easy to make this. Really easy. I want you to try it. You pretend you're dancing.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Try it like that, listen.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
All right. Keep going. Don't stop, okay? All right. See? This is so easy, huh?
This is my life in churro form. I'm out here trying to do the churro cha-cha. Am I getting it right, Tani? The churro cha-cha?
Yes.
Right here?
Look. See? Like a bounce.
This man's a churro boss. Between the sustained authenticity of the recipe and the proof that making your own version of the American dream is possible for all, Churro Buzz has plenty to offer with their genuine love for the churro.